Exercise 1.22. So now we have a table of 5. So it should be a multiplication table that should show in B4 5 and then 10 and then 15, 20, etc. So it sounds like a multiplication table, but it actually uses not multiplication but plus. So if we want to have 5 here, what do we need? The orange cell, and we better lock it. And the next one, what we need, if we copy it downwards, we will have all the 5s. So that's not helpful. But the next one should be 10. And the 10, what can we make a 10 of? Is a 5 and another 5. And how about 15? Would be a 5 and a 5 and a 5. 3 times 5. So that means in the second part, we can add these up. So 1 5 from the original cell and the other 5 from up here. And if we try this to the next one, we will see the 15 will show because we have locked the B1 by the row, so the 5 always stays there. But the B5 is relative. So that means every time I add a 5, it will calculate that 5. We calculate the sum of what we have so far and add another 5. So that should work for the multiplication table. And let's move it all the way to the end. It works. So we have two formulas. The first one refer to the original cell, and the second one add a 5 at the value above with the original value. So we have two formulas, but that's not ideal. In these kind of exercises, we always prefer one formula, and if that's correct, we can just drag it downwards. So this one, let's see if we can optimize that. We need a 5, but we don't need something else. But if we're gonna move it downwards, this one should also work. So here, the B4 is 5, so we can add the 5, but in here we didn't need to add anything, but if we add the empty cell above, it could make the whole difference and make the rest of the cells work as well. So the first one is just the original cell plus a meaningless, not meaningless, just valueless cell, but very meaningful reference so that we can reuse it to the end. So this one should be the right choice of formula, and we copy this one all the way downwards. This is exercise 1.22. Let's check it with another value. For example, 8. It works as well. Perfect. I will see you in the next video.